Okay, so once again, good morning, students. So today we will be like a revising type. This is the revision class for the excretory system. Okay, or else you can say as renal system also. Okay, so this is it. So the urinary system, it is also known as excretory system. Why? Because all the toxins, whatever toxins are there, it's being excreted out with the help of the kidney. And in the excretory system or else the urinary system, what you will find that there are two kidneys. This is one, this is two. Alright, this is the two kidneys. And this kidney, what do? They secrete urine with the help of what? With the help of ureter. So this is the ureter. This is one, this is two. So with the help of this ureter, I mean all the toxins comes out from the kidney and it passes with the help of this ureter. Understand? And when this ureter it comes to this urinary bladder, this is the next. And urinary bladder one, you have got one urinary bladder. And this urinary bladder, what do? They collect the urine, whatever the toxic particles comes from the kidney, right, to the ureter. And this urinary bladder, they store it. All right, they store it, not permanently but temporarily. It's temporary. And with the help of the sorry, with the help of the urethra, this is the urethra. Urethra also you have got one. So this is the urethra, and this urethra, the toxin particles or the toxic particles, they comes out. All right, I'll repeat again from the kidney. Next is the ureter. You have two ureter, and the ureter they are like a pipe. You can say like they connect in between the kidney and the urinary bladder. Okay, so that's the urinary bladder. And whatever urine or else the toxin particles, they comes to the urinary bladder, right? And in the urinary bladder, they are temporarily stored. All right, they are temporarily stored, not permanently stored, but temporarily. And this urinary bladder, they are like you can say as a balloon type. Even in a balloon, also, what happens if you fill up gas? Obviously, it puff out, it comes out, right? So same thing, the urinary bladder also like if water is filled up, I mean all the toxin particles is filled up, it will swell up, it will puff up. So it's like that. The shape is like that. Okay, and next is the urethra, from where the urine comes out and it goes to the exterior, means in the private areas. Okay, be it a male or a female, means after that the person will pass urine. Is it okay? Is it all right till here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so a little bit about the function of the kidney. So, what is the function of the kidney? They form, they form the urine as well as they help in secreting urine. Understand? And this kidney, what there is, I mean, you will find some hormone. All right, that is, what is the name of that hormone? Erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is the name of the hormone. And this hormone, what do? They form. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this hormone, erythropoietin is the name of the hormone. This hormone, what do? They help, I mean, they helps in the formation of this RBC, that is the red blood cells, right? Red blood cells. And next function is what? Next function of the kidney is they help in excreting, I mean, whatever waste, whatever unnecessary things are there inside the body, they helps in excreting, means they helps in coming out. Okay, waste, toxin is a waste, or else you can say as harmful for your body. All right, so this is the next function. And the last is the kidney, they helps in production and secretion of renin. This renin is the name of an enzyme. And this renin, what do? They help in controlling your blood pressure. That is the BP. I hope it's clear all till this part.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next is location. Where does your kidney lie? Where is your kidney situated? Okay, so the kidney lies where? In the posterior abdominal wall. Posterior means what? Posterior means in the backside. Alright, anterior means front, posterior means backside. Okay, so the kidney, they lie in the posterior abdominal wall, means at the backside. You will find here. Alright, and they lie which side? In your vertebral column. This is your vertebral column. We have already discussed about this in your previous semester. This bones, right? This is a vertebral column. All right, this is a vertebral column. And behind the peritoneum. Peritoneum is, the layer. Okay? You can say as a layer or the muscle which you will find inside it. Okay, below the diaphragm. This is your diaphragm. Okay, this is your diaphragm, and just downside of it, it will be situated or it will be located. So where does it lie? Actually, in your 12 thoracic vertebra. So this is the vertebra. So in your 12, in the 12th number, you will find the kidney. 12 till where? To the third lumbar vertebra. So this is the down portion is your lumbar vertebra. So till here it will be situated. All right. Till the third lumbar vertebra, it is situated or it is located. Okay, and they receive some protection from the lower rib cage. So this is the rib cage, and what will you find? You will find that they protect the rib cage. This is the rib cage, right? So they will protect the kidney, and you will find that the right kidney. This is the right kidney. You will find that they are a bit lower compared to the left. With the left kidney, the right kidney you will find a bit lower compared to the left. Why? Because liver is situated just above this. Just at the upper side, it is situated. So that's why you will find that the right kidney is a bit lower compared to the left. Is it okay? Can you understand the location? Okay. Okay, next, let us see the shape of the kidney. Okay. So the shape of the kidney is bean shape. You know the bean, rajma. So this is the kidney is somewhat similar to the bean shape, and you will find that the kidney they are 11 centimeter long, means the length. The length is 11 centimeter long, and you will find that they are 6 centimeter wide. Wide means this. I mean how big it is. You can say. So it is 6 centimeter. Alright, and how much thick it is? कितना मोटा है ये कितनी? It is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter thick. Alright, and the kidney, what is the weight of the kidney? One kidney, it is 150 gram. The weight of the kidney is 150 gram. Okay. So the length, how long it is? It is 11 centimeter long and 6 centimeter wide. This much. And how much thick it is? 3 centimeter, and the weight of the kidney is about 150 gram. Okay. Okay, now let us discuss about the areas of the kidney. In the areas of the kidney, you will find that you have got 3 areas. So the outer one, it is known as capsule. Right, the outer one, it is known as capsule, and this capsule they surround the kidney. So this is the kidney, and they surround it. It is all over this place or all over this area. Okay, so this is about the capsule. That is the first area. Okay, now let's come to the next one. The next area is the cortex. So this is the cortex. All right, so this is the cortex. The cortex, they lie just next to the capsule. So this is the capsule which surrounds the kidney, and next is the cortex. So this is the cortex. Cortex, they lie just next to the next to the capsule. Okay. Okay. And next is the medulla. This is the medulla. This medulla. So this medulla, you will find that they are the innermost layer. Means they lie, means innermost. Means it's pura inside, you can say, depth. And this medulla, they are conical in shape. Conical, you know the cone shape. Cone is like a triangle. All right. And so they are somewhat like that. And they have striations. Striations means what? Line. You can see it, no? Line. So they are means striations are there. All right. And they are also known as the renal pyramids. All these are the renal pyramids. Is it clear? Areas of kidney, first is capsule, second is cortex, next is the medulla. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. So now let us see the nephrons, where they are situated. Okay, कहाँ पे है nephrons? तो ये kidney है. So this is the kidney. And inside the kidney, what will you find? Means if you will see under the microscope. Alright, if you will see under the microscope, अगर हम लोग किडनी को माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखने से हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? हम लोगों को nephrons मिलेगा. You will find nephrons. And you will find about how much? About 1 to 2 million nephrons. So nephrons, they are exactly where they are exactly located. So the nephrons, they are located in the area, means in the cortex and the medulla. Okay, means you will find in these two areas, cortex and medulla. Just now we have discussed, no? 3 areas of kidney. So you will find in the area of cortex and in the area of medulla the nephrons. All right. And the nephrons, they are the structural and functional unit of kidney. Means you will find in the kidney, as well as you will find that the nephron, they are the main, what to say, they're the main part. Why? Because they do all the function inside the kidney. So that's why they are the structural and functional unit of kidney. All right. And inside the nephron, you will find that, okay, about all this, okay, let us discuss. Okay, so inside the nephron, what will you find? What is the structure of the nephron? You will find that. Let me show you that. Okay, before coming to the structure, let us see about the function of nephron. First is they do filtration, next is reabsorption, then secretion, then excretion. So these are the function of nephron. Okay, so this is the structure of nephron. All right. First, what will you find? You will find the glomerulus. So this is the glomerulus, the Bowman's capsule also you can say. So this is the glomerulus. Next is the proximal convoluted tubule, also known as PCT. All right, PCT. And next, the third one is ascending loop of Henle. Third one, this is the the next is descending loop of Henle. This is the descending loop of Henle. And the next, the fourth one is the ascending loop of Henle. So this is the ascending loop of Henle. Next is the distal convoluted tubule, also known as DCT. All right, DCT. Next is the collecting duct. This is the collecting duct. All right, this is the collecting duct. Okay. So if we will look closer, to the glomerulus. This is the glomerulus. If you will look closer to the glomerulus, what will you find? You will find the Bowman's capsule. This is the Bowman's capsule, which covers the glomerulus. Okay, they are cup-like structure. This Bowman's capsule, they are cup. You know, a cup, C-U-P, cup. They are like a cup like this. All right. So they are cup-like structure. Okay. Okay, so proximal convoluted tubule. Why it is known as proximal convoluted tubule? Because it is near to the glomerulus. That's why it is known as proximal convoluted tubule. Convoluted, why? Because they are twisted in this manner. All right, they are twisted. They are not straight. It's not it. So that's why it is known as proximal convoluted tubule. Okay. Okay, next is descending. You know the meaning of descending. Descending means from bigger, right? I mean uh, from the bigger side. Okay. So loop of Henry means they are like a loop. So it means somewhat like U shape. So that's why it's means loop of Henry. And ascending, you know the meaning, right? And the next is distal convoluted tubule. Distal. Why? Because it is far. It is far from the glomerulus. That's why it is known as distal convoluted tubule. All right. Next is the collecting duct. Means they collect everything, whatever is there. They collect it. Okay. Okay. So far it is clear till here. It is clear or not? Because I will be asking you in the next class again. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then if it is clear, then let's move to the next. That is this. Okay. Do you want me to mm, explain this in the next class, or you want me to continue? I mean, this portion means glomerulus portion. You want it now or in the next class? Yes.
Your voice not clear, ma'am. No.
No, what I'm asking is like this glomerulus, no? I mean the function. You want me to repeat in this? I mean, you want me to continue in this class or in the next class? You want me to say? Yes, please answer. Okay, students, we will stop here now. Can you hear me now? Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you hear me now, Darshana?
Not
Yeah,
clear, ma'am. No.
not that much clear. Okay. Okay, then I'll stop here. You please join again. Okay, in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.